Hey, I'm Dan, Director of Manna Made, but you may know me as Foreman Dan on the block.
And I'm Danny, also Director of Manna Made, and I co-host home and lifestyle series Healthy Homes Australia. Welcome to Blairgowrie Residence. When we originally purchased this site, we just wanted a holiday home for ourselves, and as the years evolved, we decided to actually make the sea change and move down here, and we just wanted the home to sit within its surrounding landscape really effortlessly. We opted for a H floor plan.
The intent was that we can have a party on one side of the house, and then you got the other side of the house, people could sleep and not hear anything.
We wanted the materiality to be really natural, really grounded, and very pared back with just a few key pieces. So with the curtains, we wanted to make sure that we were bringing in quite a bit of texture. We first engaged DIYblinds when we were actually drafting the project, basically. We worked with a building designer for the structure and the built form, and then we did all of the interiors in-house. Curtains and blinds are not an afterthought. If you're building a new home or renovating a home, you want to be thinking about these things when you're actually planning the design. So we went for motorization on pretty much all of the blinds.
So when I'm sitting down watching a movie or TV, I simply just click one button and all block-out blinds will close. So the intent of the sunken lounge, we wanted the glazing to continue up past the ceiling line, just to look like you could see sky forever.
You know, making sure that we could actually tuck the curtains back behind the tall joinery unit, but still making sure we had access to the top corner to fit off the motorized curtains and blinds. But there was a lot of considerations that went into that. And I mean, that room aside, it was the same recipe really for the entire home. We are now in the master bedroom, and like the entire home, we've kept with the same curtain fabric. So we've got Laconia Air, 100% linen, also in the linen color. I love that this is a beautiful sheer. It only obscures the aspect ever so slightly, but in this space, like all of the bedrooms in the home, we've opted for a practical block-out blind. So we're not necessarily waking up with the sun, and we can also control how hot and cold the room's gonna be on any given day.
So we also use the blockouts for temperature control, definitely in that master bedroom, because it is on the west side. In the hot summer when the sun's setting, it gets so much light. We just want to control the heat in there. I think a consideration too with your blockout blinds would be for your star rating of your home.
And for us, a house of this scale, they're all the considerations that we had to make sure we were producing a sustainable home. Working with DIYblinds on this project was literally a no-brainer.
Not only do we personally use them for our own projects, Manna Made use them for our client projects.
So having the flexibility and availability of a design consultant to work with both over the phone, email, and on site, it just made this process very coordinated. It was a seamless experience.
Favourite space in the home, it's definitely the sunken lounge. You just feel so cozy in there.
So I'm very much about the aesthetics and the textures of the room, and every day there's a different favourite space.